Up for sale, we have a beautiful 1965 Thunderbird Landau, owned by a good friend and longtime collector who's had everything from Rolls Royce to Ferrari, Porsches, and this beautiful T-Bird. It's black with a red interior, 1965. Available online for sale. You'll see details in the description. And the actual listing will have about 100 pictures in detail. This is just a little walk around. Give you an idea what a nice car it is. Overall, a beautiful car. The listing will show the car in great detail with 100 pictures. No car is perfect, and we'll do our best to show you the imperfections here and there too. Here's the red interior. Got leather front seats. It's nicely optioned. Cold factory air conditioning, power windows, convenience panel. Nicely optioned car. Thanks for taking a look. There'll be 2 other videos too with a little bit of driving. Thanks for looking.